Vukani, nilele, vukani. Phela you can't send me on a mission bese nina niyalala. It can't be like that. You can't sleep when the mission is not complete. Vukani, you will sleep after the mission is complete. Call this part 2 of reality buzzers buzzing around finding the truth about this whole fake season 8 of Uthando Nesithembu. Now you guys, okay, let's greet the new people because they will be confused. What kind of a channel is this where people are not greeted? Hi everybody, welcome to Reality Buzz TV, where we talk about all things reality TV shows and reality TV show stars. Listen, we are finding out the truth of what happened with this fakery that we were watching on season 8 of Uthando Nesithembu. Ngoba hi guys, shame we were watching isketch sika grade 5. Futhi ngidlala ngo grade 5. This was grade 2 sketch nje sasesikoleni. Yayikhumbula ibhayisikopho. Besibuka ibhayisikopho nje straight. Now you guys listen. So sayibuka ke lento lena ye lokhuzana yelobolo. We were watching ilobolo likaMakhwela, you know, and everything just looked like khona into off, you know. So now okay, the episode 23 we watched Usne Nabakonge going to pay lobolo for Makhwela. It was supposed to be 50 cows, but we saw 14,000 being put down on the floor, and we were all confused to go to what's happening. There was 2023 that was mentioned when Abakongo were supposed to go and pay ilobolo, but then things were not adding up. Okay. Now, you guys, Makhwela is over there on Instagram confusing us even more. You know why? Because she is posting something that indicates that ilobolo was paid in November last year, 2024. Now, I'm looking at that and I'm like, how? How was Makhwela's ilobolo paid in November 2024? Because as far as we understand, by November 2024, they were already done shooting season 8. I remember very early in 2024, I think it was like October or even earlier than that, Uma Khumalo doing a live telling us they were already done shooting the season 8 of Uthando Nesithembu. So now, how is Makhwela talking about ilobolo or in November 2024? But here it is, you guys. She's posting herself and posting it dates on November 2024. Also, ngale dates ka November 2024, she is wearing a different outfit, yabo, and she looks nicer than she looked with TV because Lala Pinifal so Sne. I was like, it looks like Pinifa vele that Sne would choose, you know. I'm like, yeah, it's a nice Pinifa, but I was like, I mean, for my lobola, it's not a Pinifa that I would choose for you 2000, but it was a nice Pinifa. I mean, what are we going to do? You know, it's the best that Usne would do. But on this picture that Umakhwela posted, I was like, okay, this looks more like ishweshwe that somebody would wear on her lobola negotiations. Maybe umembeso or something. It's like a green outfit, even though I didn't see the whole full outfit. But it's different from what she was wearing on the show. Now, you guys, I'm confused. Okay, were you wearing pink or were you wearing green at your lobola negotiations? That means that Umakhwela has already had umembeso, or what's happening, you guys? Ilobolo lako likhokhwe on the show, or it ikhokhwe outside of the show. Now, you guys, there are possibilities that thina sibone umcelo on the show, but after umcelo on the show, they've already gone and paid or done umembeso for Umakhwela, which is unheard of when it comes to Uthando Nesithembu or when it comes to Musamseleku, because Musamseleku, guys, uyacela Musamseleku and that's it. Umembeso uwenza after 20 years. We know that ngoma Khumalo, we know that ngoMangwabe, and we know that ngobani omunye Mangwabe noMakhumalo nje nabenzelwa leyo nto bavele bambeso after 20 years. So I'm like, it would be new if that's the case with uMakhwela, ukuthi uMakhwela ucelwe the same year and then umembeso was done the same year. Hi, it would be new. Now, there is another possibility, you guys, and this one, I think I'm tempted to believe this one is true. There is a possibility, you guys, that the whole thing that we are watching on season 8 of Uthando Nesithembu, the whole thing of ilobola that we are watching is a sketch, you guys, because it does look like a sketch. uMakhwela ulotshole outside of the show. The whole thing of ukucelwa kaMakhwela happened outside of the show. The dates that she is posting on her Instagram November, that's the real dates that they went to her home to pay the lobola. The green outfits that she's posting on her Instagram, that is the real outfits she wore when they went beyomcela. Bese thina-ke besikhombisa iskeshi, you know. So the whole thing that we saw on the show, it's not the real lobola, guys. So now we are watching a sketch, the pink outfits, inzipho zikaSne, all of that. Now we are watching the Grade R sketch that was directed by the Grade R director, who wasn't even good enough to see ukuthi inzipho zikaSne from one scene to another is different. He wasn't even good enough to see that. So we are watching a sketch kahle kahle. I am tempted to believe ukuthi thina nje isketch lesi sisibukayo on Uthando Nesithembu into engekho njena abayicreateile for us, for our entertainment. Because you guys, if it was real lento esibonayo on Uthando Nesithembu, do you not think ukuthi ngabe sibabonile abazali baka uMakhwela? Do you not think ukuthi we would have seen Makhwela's mother? You know, do you not think ukuthi uMakhwela's mother would have done a diary session where they ask her ukuthi, how do you feel about the fact that uMakhwela is marrying somebody that is your age? Do you not think that? Do you not think ukuthi they would have asked her father ukuthi, how do you feel ukuthi uMakhwela is marrying somebody that you went to Grade R with? You know, how was it when you were playing soccer with your daughter's future husband? Do you not think they would have asked Makhwela's father that? Do you not think it's strange that we haven't seen Makhwela's mom and dad at the lobola negotiations? Do you not think that? Do you not think those people that we saw who were negotiating the lobola are just actors that they hired just for that scene? Maybe even that home that we saw on the show, akona ka Makhwela laphayan. That is not Makhwela's home. It's just some home that they hired for us to see isketch lesiyana. I am tempted to believe it. Ukuthi lento esibonile on season 8 isketch lesiyana sodwa. And I think the 3 wives that are living at the Lion Park, they refused to participate with sketch. So in them saying they don't want anything to do with Makhwela, they are basically saying we don't want to participate in the sketch. That's what they are saying, you know. And Umacele was willing to participate in the sketch. Usne was willing to participate in the sketch. So now we need to figure out what's happening behind the scenes. Umakhwela, Njoba Eshad, is she really marrying Umselegu, or there's something else going on behind the scenes? Because obviously in November, Umakhwela, there is a lobola thing that was happening. Was that her marrying Umselegu, or Umakhwela is marrying someone else while we think she's marrying Umselegu? Because there are no pictures that have been posted with Umakhwela no Umselegu. But obviously in November, Umakhwela was marrying somebody, you know, but there are no pictures that she has posted with Umselegu wearing that outfit. What I'm saying is that more and more it is being proven that we are watching a sketch on Uthando Nesithembu. This whole thing, this whole number 5, saying it's number 1. Kodwa kuyafana to number 1 ngoba vele the number 5 storyline is being created by number 1. This whole number 5 storyline, guys, is just fake. There is something going on with number 5, but it's outside of the show. Tina, what we are watching on the show, it's all fake. Because how does Umakwela have a green outfit on her Lobola day, but Tina on the show, we saw a pink outfit? Gichazelani in the comment section, guys. Please buzz around in the comment section and tell me, make it make sense, because right now it doesn't. We are all watching fake season 8. We need a tell all, and when they do that tell all, they need to have audience, because we need to go there as audience and tell them afterwards. How do they waste our DSTV subscription making us watch fake-ish? It's just that YouTube doesn't allow me to swear, but at this point we need to swear at them. How do you make us watch fake 24 episodes? Like, you are making us watch 24 episodes of nothing. Can you imagine? I've done 24 reviews of nothing. Aye. They need to do a tell all, and they need to have us as the audience so that we can tell them off. Because how is it a reality show when it's fake and it's a sketch? They might as well call it a bioscope then. Aye, guys. Please buzz around in the comment section and please make it make sense, because right now it doesn't. Okay, it does not make any kind of sense. Okay, please don't share it because it's all fake. Just like the video and don't share it because it's all fake. Baze basimosha isikhathi sethu labantu. Jesus Christ. Wathi ngivele ngiyosontweni. Yabona manje on Tuesday instead of watching, on Wednesday instead of watching this episode, ngizovele ngenkonzweni straight. Yabona. Ayikho lento.